Hello, welcome to the Sage online class. Today, I'm going to be teaching you on the vowel. Chapter 3, Vowel Letters and Vowel Sounds. Vowel has 5 letters, which are A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds. The vowel sounds can be divided into two, which are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds can be sounded as letter A sounds A, letter E sounds E, letter I sounds E, letter O sounds O, letter U sounds A or U. In short vowel sounds, letter U has two sounds, which are A or U. The A sound is used more often in words than the U sound for short U. Now let's sound the short vowel letters A, E, I, O, A or U. Quick test. Can you sound these coming letters? I'm going to be showing you some vowel letters now. Let's see how you can sound them in short vowel. Let's go. I, A or U, A, O, E. Did you get everything correct? If you do, a round of applause for yourself. If you miss any, kindly go back to study and try the test once again. Did you learn anything today? If you learned something, kindly like, follow, and share our pages on all social media platforms for more access to videos like this. See you next week. Bye bye.